Staying on top of attendance has never been easier. Let's explore how the class attendance feature works in SCL. Before we begin, it's important to know the difference. Class attendance tracks the student's presence in each course session throughout the day, subject by subject. This is separate from school attendance, which records the overall daily entry to school and is managed independently. From your home screen, simply tap on class attendance to open the full overview. At the top, you'll find a quick legend. Red means absent, yellow means late, and blue means excused. Each subject card shows the total number of attendance issues per course, along with a clear breakdown of how many times the student was absent or late. Want more details? Just tap any subject to expand it. You'll see every single session record with the exact date, status, and even the minutes late. With class attendance, parents and students can monitor every course session clearly and stay always in sync. That's SCL, attendance made simple.